Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Myself Tiyasha, welcome back to my channel World of Passion. In today's video, I am showing you how to make a abstract painting of Ganesh ji. So, without wasting any time, let's start the video. At first, you need a canvas board. Here, I am using 30 into 30 centimeter board. I made it at home. Link is in description box. You can check it out. Then, you apply a coat of gesso. It is totally optional. Otherwise, you can apply a coat of white acrylic color. Then, I draw a freehand image of Ganesh ji. You can also trace it. After that, you need molded clay. Mix the same quantity of clay and hardener. You can use any kind of powder to avoid the stickiness of the clay. Now the clay mixture is glued with Fevicol on the canvas board. Follow the process as shown in the video. Here I have given cut design with knife. You can also choose your own design. Then I have given 3D look of the Ganesh ji with molded clay. Now I have used two shades of color, Prussian blue and light blue, and I complete the painting with Prussian blue color. You can go with your own color choice. I added Ganesh ji's tilak and eyes with permanent marker. Then I used small glass mirror to decorate the border. I am really loving of glass mirror, so I can put it. It is totally optional. You can decorate by your own desire. Further decoration done by molded clay as shown in the video. Decoration and materials you can choose your own. White acrylic paint is added for the realistic effect. At last, apply a coat of varnish to make your art waterproof and long lasting. That's it. Your abstract painting is ready. And the final look is Hope you guys enjoying the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for future updates.